You're close to the oven. Careful of the heat and getting too close. Wish I had a gas stove and a gas range here, but I don't. But especially with gas, if you're using gas, be careful as you're close to it and stuff. And if you're lifting anything and your clothing and whatnot close to the stove, be real careful. For the sake of showing you guys how to cut my chicken, I'm actually going to grab one of my cutting boards down here. I'm going to grab this cutting board here just to show you guys what the chicken's going to look like after I cut it. So I do, like I mentioned, cut inside of my pan, but for you guys, so you can see what this looks like, I'm going to just show you. Okay, I'm going to cut my chicken in strips, like so. Okay, I hold my chicken down and I hold it kind of in its place with just my fork, and then I use my other hand with my knife to cut the strips like so. Your chicken should not be completely done at this point. You don't want it to be completely finished because you've got all that marinade and the juices inside of it, and you want it to cook inside of the pan while you're cutting, or sorry, while you've got the chicken cooking. You don't want it fully cooked. You want some of those juices and stuff to cook with the chicken as it is cooking itself. All right. I'm going to keep cutting this chicken, and we'll come back here in just a second when this chicken's all ready to go for the next step.